Hi. The three main challenges that one would face during a machine vision installation is complexity, time, and cost. What if I told you we had a solution that reduces all three of them? Would you like to know more? Hi, my name is Raghava Kashyapa. I'm the CEO of Qualitas Technologies, and I'm really excited to present to you a solution that enables a machine vision solution to be developed with the least amount of complexity in a very short amount of time and at a very reasonable cost. The solution we've developed after decades of system integration experience and R&D is right behind me, and it's called the Qualitas EagleEye. The Qualitas EagleEye is a ready-made vision solution, a solution in a box, which can pretty much be a plug-and-play solution in your assembly line or in your factory automation setup to be able to develop a vision solution using artificial intelligence and deep learning in a matter of weeks from start to finish. Let me explain. One of the biggest challenges when setting up your machine vision solution is the image capture itself. Now, you need to make sure that you're capturing the right image with the right contrast, with the right amount of clarity to be able to then develop a processing solution that can take those images and infer or derive certain judgments or results for what you're intending to automate. And the challenge has primarily been because of the amount of customization that requires you to integrate different components like the camera, the lens, the light, the mounting fixtures, and even a robust enclosure system that enables a robust solution to be developed on your assembly line. Now, the very first challenge that one comes across is the structure of the light. And the EagleEye system actually comes with various modular lighting configurations. Like what you have here in front of me is a dome light. Now, dome light structure has a hemispherical lighting integrated, which gives you uniform lighting across the area that it's imaging. Similarly, we've also come up with something which is more compact and is a spotlight. So here, we have a spotlight system which can be easily configured and added to your vision system by pretty much removing a few screws and attaching that to the EagleEye module. Now, another challenge that we come across is the different mounting arrangements. And as you can see, the mounting arrangement that we've designed is a very robust mounting arrangement with 1, 2, 3, 4 axis, 5 axis rather, of rotation. So these arms are very flexible, and this entire arm can actually be removed and made more compact, and you can decide how many axes of movement that you really require. And as you can see, at the end of the arm is a mounting clamp which can be easily fixed to your profile and made very easy to assign to any industrial extrusion or a profile mount. So all these has been considered, the different design elements has been considered keeping in mind the lighting structure, the modularity of the mounting, and to be able to configure various camera resolutions for your vision system. So the lighting structure has been deliberately made modular by having a system that can pretty much clamp very easily onto the mounting structure. So let's say in this particular case you have a white light, but you really need a red light in order to image your perfect solution. Very simple. Take this out and attach a red light instead, and voila, you have a red light dome structure lighting module. Now, similarly, all these different lightings come in a modular fashion, which gives you n number of permutations and combinations in terms of both the lighting structure itself as well as the color of the light that you can play around with. And once you design the lighting system with this modular structure, you can quickly assemble different resolutions of cameras as well as with your lighting desired lighting configuration, and your image acquisition system is pretty much ready in a matter of hours. And what earlier would take weeks of design and customization can now be done literally in a matter of hours. And once you've actually assembled it together, you can go and install it and adjust the different positions with this flexible mounting arrangements. So, and it's pretty sturdy, so I can, with the twist of a knob, I can do this with my bare hands. And I can configure, if I wanted to turn this out a little bit lower, or even turn this with the 5-axis rotation, I should be able to pretty much orient my camera in any direction that I want to make sure that the right angle is captured. And this is a standard module which you can attach to any of the different lighting modules that come with the EagleEye. So in the first version of the EagleEye camera, we have 4 different configurations of lighting that we are offering. The first one is a ring light, which has a pretty wide diameter and with different options of colors, red, blue, and white. And this can be easily configured to the mounting arm that I just presented. The second option is a spotlight, which is a compact circular lighting arrangement with a fully enclosed housing. Each of these modules, by the way, have a fully enclosed camera housing, so the lens cannot be tampered with, and it's very easy to adjust the lens configuration once you have this mounted on your area of inspection. So the spotlight is for something which has a smaller field of view as well as with a space constrained environment, and again comes with 3 different color options. The dome light, as I mentioned, is to give you a diffused uniform illumination, and it's mostly for shiny as well as reflective surfaces, something which is uneven perhaps, or causes certain areas of reflection to bloom. And the dome light would be the perfect structure of light to use. And here again, it's a fully modular unit, plug and play and ready to image. And the final configuration is a bar light configuration, which has a couple of bar lights which can be attached to the camera module. And again, here these have an adjustable module where you can turn the lights to orient it in the right direction with a hand adjustable and spring locked adjustment mechanism. So this again comes with different colors of lights. You could just take this out, unplug it, remove this particular bar light, and then put in a white light if you wanted. So you can fully customize the configuration with any structure of lighting as well as color. And inside this is a modular camera unit which comes with a range of camera resolutions all the way from VGA or even smaller to 20 megapixels, which with everything in between in terms of frame rates, resolution, etc. And the lens attachment is a C-mount lens, so you can use any standard C-mount lens to configure to the camera and have a fully functional image acquisition unit. So I'm really excited to present to you EagleEye camera module, and I think this is going to be a revolutionary game changer in machine vision, making the complexity, the time to install, as well as drive down the cost of what has been historically the case when it comes to machine vision installations. In the next video, I'm going to share with you how those images that we've been capturing can easily be configured using artificial intelligence and deep learning to develop a cutting-edge solution with the highest degrees of accuracy to develop a complete solution on your assembly line. Thank you.